about the abuse of power and the assault on the freedom of religion. Violence, you have peace. Bullets and tear gas, what do you have? You have the words of the Almighty God. You have the Bible. Padalhan mo nila og bala, tirahon mo og tear gas. Preach to them the words of God.